It is 19th of August 2028 and the day is Wednesday. Class 9th. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to do the exercise of Unit 12, 3 days to see. So let's start our lesson with glossary. Bark, it is a noun and its synonym is the outer covering of a tree. Drakht ki chhal. Birch, it is also a noun and its synonym is a tree with smooth branches. एक हमवार शाखों वाला दरख्त. Chasten, that is it is a verb and its synonym is to make someone feel sorry for what he has done. मतलब काबू में रखे जाएंगे. एक मीनिंग में इसका ताक़ुब करना भी आता है. Don't, that is a verb and its synonym is certain to fail, suffer, die. Inanimate, it is an adjective and its synonym is not alive the way people, animals or plants are. Mellow, that is an adjective and its synonym is become less extreme in behavior. Pageant, that is a that's mean series of interesting events. खूबसूरत मनाजर के मानों में आता है. Panorama, that is a noun and its synonym is a view of wide area of land. Shaggy, its synonym is having long and untidy hair and it is an adjective. Stroke, that is a noun and its synonym is a mark made by moving a pen, brush. That is a noun and its synonym is a mark made by moving a pen, brush, etc. Texture, that is a noun and its synonym is the feel of a fabric or substance. Next vocabulary, consult a dictionary to find the meanings of the given words. Sluggish, its synonym is slow moving. Sust, kahil. Queer, कपकपी तारी होना. Shake, tremble. Animate, जिंदा, living. Panorama, नज़ारा, open view in all direction. Beyond, ज़र्क बर्क. Emotionally very happy. Dormant, ख्वाबिदा, sleeping. Manifold, various और many, तरह तरह से. Convolutions, complications, बलदार, खमदार. Kaleidoscopic, एक दूरबीन है. The view of different periods of the history. Epicurean, ऐश पसंद, of pleasure and enjoyment. Impending, नज़दीक, coming soon. Next, B part, encircle the most appropriate contextual meaning of the underlined words. Number 1, apparently means A, obviously, as it appears, or clearly. So correct option is obviously. Manifold means, correct option is different types. Queer means to shake slightly. Next, C part is for each of these words from the passage given one word or short phrase which has the same meaning. Emphasize, and line number 2, a word stress is used. Appreciative, in line number 10, admirer is used. Lush, line number 43, and it's the word used that is used, luxuriant or vegetation. Pageant, in line number 21, it is used and it's the word used that is used, splendid. Next kind of sentences, there are 3 types of sentences according to the structure: simple, compound and complex. Simple sentences, all main class can stand at possible simple sentence when this rest of the sentence is removed. For example, जब जब जुमले में कोई भी मेन क्लास को हम हटा देते हैं तो हम इस जुमले को सादा जुमला बोलते हैं, जब हम मेन क्लॉज को हटा देते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, मोस्ट ऑफ अस टेक लाइफ फॉर ग्रांटेड when we are in buoyant health. Death is all but unimaginable. Sometimes it was as long as a year, sometimes as short as 24 years. In all above examples, the main clauses stand as complete simple sentences even without the rest of the sentence. Next is compound sentences. A compound sentence contains the two or more main clauses. As all of you know about the kinds of sentences, compound sentences contains two or more main clauses. मीन्स कि मरक्कब जो जुमला होता है, जो कंपाउंड सेंटेंस होता है, उसमें 2 या 3 बेसिक क्लाज होते हैं। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाइट केम ऑन एंड द रूम ग्रू डार्क, 2 हो गए। ही इज़ रिच, 1, and second is but he is not happy. These examples has 2 main clauses. Third is C part, complex sentences. A complex sentence consists of 1 or more main clauses and 1 or more subordinate clauses. इसका मतलब है कि अगर कंपाउंड में, कम्प्लेक्स में एक या एक से ज़्यादा बेसिक क्लाज हूँ, जिसको कहते हैं बुनियादी, और एक या एक से ज़्यादा उससे बुनियादी के बाद जो झेली की बारी आती है वो हूँ, तो उसको कहते हैं ये कॉम्प्लेक्स है। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, इट इज़ द सेम ओल्ड स्टोरी ऑफ नॉट बीइंग ग्रेटफुल। मेन क्लॉज, ये मेन क्लॉज हो गया। फॉर व्हाट वी हैव अनटिल वी क्लोज वी लूज इट, सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज। ओके, if I were the president of a university, subordinate clause, and main clause is I should establish a compulsory course in how to use your eyes. Next, A part, complete the following conditionals. Conditional sentences, which are these? These are the imaginary condition, imaginative thinking. When we talk about something which we do not accept to happen. Okay, तब जब हम किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हम ये एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं रखते कि ये वाकई हकीकत में होगा, या ये भी हो सकता है कि प्योर इमेजिनेशन पे डिपेंड करता हो। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, इफ़ आई वर दी एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर, अब ये एक इमेजिनरी आ गई इसमें, आई शुड चेंज द सिस्टम, मुझे सिस्टम को चेंज करना चाहिए। इफ़ यू हैड अ डिग्री, कंडीशनल्स, इफ़ यू हैड अ डिग्री यू वुड हैव गॉट द जॉब, अगर आपके पास डिग्री है तो आप जॉब गेट कर लेंगे। कंडीशनल सेंटेंस, इमेजिनरी, इफ़ यू हार्ड वर्क यू वुड गेट फर्स्ट पोजिशन, इफ़ ही स्टॉप स्मोकिंग ही वुड रिकवर, वी कुड win the match if we had played well. These all are conditional sentences. Next, B part, make 3 conditional type 2 sentences. Students, it's up to you and you have to do it yourself. Next, C part, make the verbs to make complete sentences. If you had not drunk water from that well, so its half is you would not have fallen in. If you eat sweets all the time, your teeth would go bad. Okay, if you don't use a mosquito net, you may catch malaria. If you don't keep food in the fridge, it will go bad in hot weather. If you cycle with things in your hand, you may fall off. If you wave the stick in the air, you might hit somebody's head. Identify and write the simple, compound and complex sentences in the given column. So let's start. He came to see me, but I was not present at home. It is a compound sentence. She wrote an article in the newspaper. That is a simple sentence. Why? Because it has a when the rest of sentence is removed and it stands for a main clause. And the first one is why it is called compound, because it contains two or more main clauses. He came to see me, it is one clause, and the second is but I was not present at home. Next is we shall die one day, or the other for we immortal. That is a complex sentence. It is consist of one more clauses and one more subordinate. They finish the work in time. That is a simple sentence. My mother always prays for my success. That is a simple sentence. They serve God well who serve his creature. That is a complex sentence. One called him. I called him, but he gave me no answer. That is a compound sentence. A guest who says a long time is not welcomed. It is a complex sentence. I soon returned home because I was upset. That is a compound sentence. So next part is F part. Identify hyphens and dash in the following sentences and mark in the relevant box. You have to draw a line. That one is another side. One is hyphen sentences and the second another side is dash sentences. You have to write it separate column. And hyphen, these are the mixed sentences that are hyphen and also dash sentences. So you have to choose. First is the injured woman is 35 years old. That is a hyphen sentence. And you are the friend, the only friend who offered to help me. That is a dash sentence. This is very important. Are you listening to me? That is a hyphen sentence. This is very important. Are you listening to me? That is also a dash sentence. And Mr. Aziz is a well-known person in town hyphen sentence. And we went to USA and met a very close old friend there. That is a dash sentence. My great grandfather owned a big house in his hometown. That is a hyphen sentence. And my neighbor wanted us, my daughter, my son, and me to meet her guest. That is a dash sentence. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayka.